Okay, change oil soon on a Cadillac XT5. So I'm gonna show you how to reset this after you change your oil. So come to the steering, press select to dismiss that. Normally you can find it on the information panel. So use the navigation keys on the right side of the steering. You can scroll to the left or to the right until you reach that information icon. So if you don't immediately see the oil life reset information, you can scroll up or down until you reach to that icon. So once you reach that icon, you press select button on the steering, navigate across, and press the select button again. And that's it. Oil life reset complete.